Restores like new braking performance. OE fit and form design delivers consistent, even braking throughout the life of the brake pad. Reduced vibration. Application-specific design reduces noise causing vibration. Even performance, engineered for consistent braking throughout the life of the pad. Application-specific materials, formulated to meet the unique needs of each vehicle application. Hardware included. Premium stainless steel hardware and OE-style lubricant included in most applications. Comprehensive coverage, brake pads available for all vehicle types. Zero copper formulation, features Wagner OE25 zero copper friction formulation. Designed, tested and certified in the USA by Federal-Mogul engineers. 100% OE post-curing process ensures even friction performance throughout the life of the pad. OE matched friction formulations and configuration to restore like new braking performance. Application-specific shims to reduce noise causing vibration. Asbestos-free material. Wagner QS brake pads are designed and tested to restore like new performance. These pads are developed with a 100% post-cure process to ensure even friction performance throughout the life of the pad and are engineered to reduce noise causing vibration. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Worked perfectly for my 2014 Nissan Sentra. Easy to install and no noise level or problem at all. Saved a lot of money too.